James, the servant of God and of the Lord Jesus Christ, to the 12 tribes of dispersion, greetings. Count it all my joy, my brothers, when you meet trials of various kinds, for you know that the testing of your faith produces steadfastness. And let steadfastness have its full effect, that you may be perfect and complete, lacking in nothing. If any of you lacks wisdom, let him ask God, who gives generously to all without reproach, and it will be given him. But let him ask in faith with no doubting, for the one who doubts is like a wave of the sea that is driven and tossed by the wind. For that person must not suppose that he will receive anything from the Lord. He is a double-minded man, unstable in all ways. They took my last post. Who took it? How can you do this? I am reading the Bible and placing it on a free channel. God help you.